Hello everyone, our group's project is focusing on to apply an economic and suitable method to increase the seismic capacity of traditional timber buildings in Indonesia. Indonesia, as a developing country, locates in the active seismic zone. Hence, to develop earthquake technology is necessary. Besides, when we study civil engineering, seismic analysis is an important part of what we need to understand. Our group prepared to apply seismic isolation to resist the pressure from the earthquake. The goal is using an optimal and affordable method to reduce the sliding movement and structure damage for timber building. In the project, different materials for seismic isolation will be tested to find an optimal one to satisfy the economic and technical requirements. Due to COVID-19, our group members work for this project at the home. We will have an online meeting each week to promote the project process. Moreover, to simulate the model in software instead of a lab test is our main way to get test data.
And talking about the challenges we made, we have some big challenges due to the current coronavirus city lockdown situation. The first important thing is we are not being able to use the laboratory for our project because we cannot go to the parkville, so we cannot use the shaking table to test our Indonesia timber building mode. And the second challenge is that this semester, we must deal with this online meeting well, and we have to admit that this has a certain impact on our development efficiency. But on the other hand, we had also gained a lot of inspiration to solve the challenge. We decided to design a timber material mode on the computer, and then simulate its seismic force, and analyze the dynamic force on a certain physical software to measure the performance of different seismic materials on the Indonesia house. We have Lin Cai here to help us edit and manage the Zoom meeting video. Face the coronavirus lockdown, working virtually as a team is necessary. We confirm the safety of team members through weekly Zoom meetings, discuss safety protection suggestions, and care about the mental health of each team member. This allows us to better understand each other on the online working platform. Our mutual trust forms the core idea of our team.
In conclusion, we hope our solution to the project can effectively reduce the sliding issue and the structural damage of traditional Indonesia buildings to a reasonable amount of level. Also, the advantage of the traditional Indonesia buildings combined with the modern improvement techniques can be really inspiring, and we hope that we can also apply that to Australian structures in the future. At the Endeavour exhibitions, we want to have a clear presentation of our workings and findings to the industry members and also the general public to seek advices and responses. Our solution is completely based on theories and computer modeling. Therefore, it is very important to let industry professionals comment on the feasibility and the practicability of the solutions. And thank you for listening.
OK，好的，结束了，我去接。